Today we're doing a vent tab install on a 2009 to 2010 Hyundai Sonata center vent. And first we're going to want to start and find the correct blade that the vent goes on, which has the indentation here. And then we're going to center it and have a pencil, and we're going to put the back blades in its middle position about right here, and the prongs will attach to the center post here. And here's the vent tab that will be the replacement. And the prongs face upward like so. And we're going to have it here and make sure that the prongs line up on the back post. And when you have done so, just lightly put the vent tab not all the way on, but just enough so you can confirm that the prongs are on the post. And then once that's all lined up, push it in